Do you use rare earth metals in your generators? If so, how will you address associated supply chain problem?
Wow, boy, I like that question. So we are presently buying our turbines from an Italian company called Soga. There's another European company that also can produce the generators. I'm sorry, we're buying the generators from a company called Soga in Italy. They do use rare earth metals in their generators, and they get those rare earth metal magnets from China. So that is part of the China rare earth metal supply. But we have contacts with a major international manufacturer and a company in the UK. Both of them are interested in working with us to produce ferrite generators. Ferrite is a pretty amazing magnet metal made of iron, ferrite. So it's abundant, but it's bigger. It is not so small. It's not so compact and powerful. So it takes a bigger size generator. And the horizontal axis turbines have trouble with that because they don't like all the weight way up high. But because we're short and close to the ground, and we can actually put the generator on the ground and have a pipe extend from the drive shaft down to it, well, then we can use ferrite magnet generators. And those can be made here in the United States. And they can use magnets made in the United States or not made in China. So that is our next step. Yes, we're going to go buy the permanent magnet generators from Soga. We've got that all lined up. And that's what we used in Model 3.1. But we are going to move forward on creating a ferrite magnet generator to get away from the need for rare